You want to make sure all of this is clean, the relays are seated properly, and that the battery is missing, or take it out if it is there, and then check to make sure that it hasn't leaked its contents all over the inside of the PLC. When the acid spills out, you'll see that this turns really, really brown and rusted. That's the inside of the cover. Once the battery's out, you can put the cover back on in the correct direction, because that header has to connect to that header. So when it's working properly, this 5 and 7 are not flashing their brains out, and as you roll the cycle selector, 2, 3, 4, and 5, or 3, 4, 5, and 6 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and back to 0. Those are the programs. When you press the reset button, you should only see 4 and 5, or 5 and 7, flash for a second. If they're flashing continuously, that means that the system is locked up. And when you press the advance button, let's say I put it onto program, let's pick program 5, since that changes over pretty quickly. Program 5, hit the reset, and then the advance is number 9. So now I'm advancing through the program. You can see right now it's output 1 is on, meaning it's in the spray cycle. Output 0 is off, which means it's dark. Program 5 is the timed for J2527. So we're starting the dark cycle. And now it clicked over, it reset, 4 and 6 reset the counters on the front of the machine. Now it's light only. And then you'll see the light number 1 come on in a few seconds. And now it's in the light and spray. So when it's working right, that's how it should work. So when you want to take this out of the machine, you don't have to take the wires off the header. You just hit these release buttons on the end here, and these come off. And you can put them back on. When you snap them into place, you just want to make sure these come back forward to make sure that they're completely down in place. So off, pull it out, and it should be able to remove it that way.